Here's how to set up a dark mode lighting program. That is, setting a specific time to turn off the lights and scheduling the desired duration of darkness for each breeding period. First, select the eye control icon and then the light icon. In our example, there are 4 icons: Light Status, Light Settings 1, Light Settings 2, Light Options. Go to Light Status. In our example, the light status is off, meaning no light program has been established, and the current intensity is off, indicating it is dark in the building at the moment. Go back using the back icon on the right of the screen. It's possible to install multiple light settings per building, and even by zone, according to your needs. In our example, Light Setting 1 represents my first zone, and Light Setting 2 represents my second zone. Now go to Light Options. Here, in Biweekly Schedule, leave it set to No. Indicate the number of periods you want. Here we have chosen to have 8 light periods to fragment the light program into 8 different phases. In our example, Column 1 represents our Floor 1 and Column 2 represents our Floor 2. Here we choose to set the dark mode for both programs by selecting Mode in Column 1 and then in Column 2. Leave a short period for the iTouch Genius control to execute the change from cycle mode to darkness mode. This may take a few seconds. Your menu changes when darkness mode is activated. Go back using the back icon on the right of the screen. Then go to Light Settings 1 to incorporate your lighting program. Currently, the system is off. The start time for darkness is at 9 p.m., 21 hours. In this case, we change it to 10 p.m., 22 hours by clicking on the square in Column 1, changing the time, and clicking OK to return and save the new data. The ascent time is the time it takes for the lights to go from the lowest to the highest intensity, like mimicking a sunrise effect. In this case, we adjust the duration to 20 minutes instead of 25 minutes. You can choose the duration that best suits you. The descent time is the time it takes for the lights to go from the highest to the lowest intensity, like mimicking a sunset effect. In this case, we adjust the duration to 20 minutes instead of 25 minutes. The activation transition is the time for the system to execute the new criteria set at the moment I will turn the system to on. All that's left is to choose the light intensity and the duration of darkness for each period. For example, Period 1, minimum intensity is at 0. Period 1, maximum intensity is at 100, so the lights operate at 100% intensity. Period 1, darkness duration, I set to 0. In our example, we wish there always to be light for the animals. Period 1 will end when Period 2 begins. Period 2, start day by changing the data to 2, it indicates that Period 2 will start on the second day. Set the minimum and maximum intensity and darkness duration according to your needs. In our example, starting from Period 2 at 10:00 p.m., there will be 2 hours of darkness. Then complete each data for all the determined periods. Once your light periods are entered, return to the same menu and turn your system to on. Your lighting system is now operational in automatic mode, according to the programming you have just defined. Return to the previous page. Please follow the same steps to adjust light setting number 2. This refers to the second zone. Do not forget to turn your system to on and return to the previous screen. To see the lighting level in your buildings in real time, go to Light Status. As we have just activated light program number 1, see the intensity progression. The current period is 1 because, in this example, the animals are 1 day old. You can verify this by going to the Farm Management icon. That's what we requested here. From 1 day to 2 days, use period number 1. Returning to Light Status, we can see the progression of the lighting program we have just set up.